Thanks for joining us. This is Kirsten with Wolf Industries, and we are here to show you the Model L home. The last time you saw the Model L, we were busy in production in our factory. We got to walk through the floor plan as it was being built, and now this home has been constructed, it's finished, and delivered to its site, and you get to see how we get it set on its foundation.
Keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming back. Keep coming back.
That was too smooth.
The Model L is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 980 square foot home. It's got vaulted ceilings in the kitchen and living area, drop ceilings in bedrooms and bathrooms, lots of space to enjoy time with family and friends, room to entertain, a big kitchen to cook in. It always has granite or quartz countertops. This model has lots of windows in the living space, 4 3x5 windows, so you can enjoy natural light and any kind of view that you might have on your property. This is a great little house for small families starting out, or like our client here, this is for their mom who they're moving onto their property so that she can age in place and be close. One of the great things about this model is that 980 square feet, it meets most jurisdictions' ADU requirements. So we should be able to place this in your area, in your backyard, as a little accessory dwelling unit. Keep your eyes peeled for the next Model L video, where we will give you a virtual tour of this house placed on its property. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and join us for the next one. We'll see you then.